Today, we are going to unlock 10 ChatGPT prompts that can literally replace 10 different apps you might be paying for right now. This is all about working way smarter, not harder. But first, we have to get one thing straight. You have got to stop using ChatGPT like it's just a search engine.
Seriously, treating it like Google is the #1 reason people are wasting hours every single day. And it means you're leaving so much of its real power on the table. The truth is, most people are barely scratching the surface. So today, I'm giving you 10 copy and paste prompts that will turn ChatGPT from a simple chatbot into your own personal productivity engine. Let's start with prompts that are designed to tame your data and organize all that chaos. First up, this one replaces Excel for any kind of quick analysis. So instead of messing around with pivot tables, just tell ChatGPT to act as a senior business analyst. You paste in your raw data, and boom, it instantly serves up key insights and trends in a super clean format. This literally turns an hour of spreadsheet work into a 30-second task. Next, forget trying to manually organize your notes in an app like Notion. This prompt turns ChatGPT into an expert project manager. You just drop in your messy, scattered meeting notes, and it spits out a perfectly structured project plan, complete with phases, deliverables, and a timeline. It's like turning a random conversation into an actual action plan in seconds.
So now that we're all organized, let's move on to section 2. This is all about streamlining your content and your communication.
Okay, this one is a total Grammarly killer. By telling ChatGPT to be a professional copy editor, you get so much more than a simple spell check. It doesn't just fix your text for clarity and tone, it actually explains its most important changes. So you're not just getting a better document, you're actually becoming a better writer.
Think you need a design tool like Canva just to brainstorm visuals? Think again. This prompt has ChatGPT act as your social media strategist. It'll generate 5 distinct visual concepts for you, describing the layout, the colors, even the text. It's the perfect creative brief before you even open a design app.
Are you tired of writing those awkward or repetitive emails? We all are. This prompt replaces your need for an email assistant. It can handle all that tricky communication, like chasing down an overdue invoice, with the perfect professional tone. It saves you time, for sure, but it also saves you the mental energy of having to craft those messages from scratch. All right, let's shift gears into section 3 with prompts designed to accelerate your career and your personal growth. This prompt is like your personal resume tool. You take a boring bullet point from your resume, and you ask your new AI career coach to optimize it for a specific job, focusing on measurable results. It instantly reframes your experience to be way more impactful to recruiters. You need to get up to speed on a new topic fast? This prompt basically replaces a research intern. Just ask it to summarize the latest studies on any subject, and you'll get the key findings and even direct quotes in a nice, neat, bulleted list. This is a total game changer for learning and prep. And this one, it replaces a private tutor. You can ask it to be a professor in any field and explain a super complex topic in a simple way, even using analogies. It's personalized, on-demand learning for absolutely anything you want to understand better. Okay, let's move to our final section, where we really level up with prompts for high-level strategy and coaching. These are some of the most advanced and honestly coolest uses. This prompt gives you a product manager on demand. You can just paste in raw user feedback, and it will identify the core customer problem and then brainstorm actual actionable feature ideas. It's a fantastic way to turn complaints into real innovation. And finally, this prompt can act as a life coach for your goals. Now, the key here is telling the AI to ask you clarifying questions first. That's the magic. This helps you break down a big goal, like running a 5K, into a manageable, personalized weekly plan that's actually made for you. Okay, talk is cheap, right? Let's do a quick live demo to see this thing in action. The magic formula you have to remember for any great prompt is role, then task, then your desired output. We're going to take some really messy sales data and get an instant insight. So it's a super simple 3-step process. First, we've got our input, just some jumbled, raw sales numbers. Second, we apply our Senior Business Analyst prompt that we talked about. And third, we get our insight, an instant, clean summary. And here is the result. In just seconds, ChatGPT takes that messy data and turns it into this clean, organized table. But it doesn't just show you the numbers, it tells you the story. We can immediately see the North region is crushing it while the South needs some help. That is actionable intelligence, and it was created instantly. So after seeing all of that, I have to ask you, which app are you ready to delete first?
Hey, if you learned something new here, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more ways to work smarter. And of course, drop your answer to that question in the comments below. Thanks for watching.